Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Wednesday, April 7th. First off, people always ask about the quilt that is always behind me, and today this quilt is a kit called First Blush. It's all batiks. This is anthology fabrics, and this kit makes this beautiful quilt that you can see here behind me. So if you're interested in this pattern or this kit or those colors, you'll find it right here in the First Blush quilt kit. The size is 77 inches by 89 inches, so it's a generous throw. So we do have that available in the store. Next up, we have a new copy of Simply Modern. This is a really interesting magazine because they not only have a lot of really modern quilt patterns, they also have the inspiration for the patterns and some technique, along with a lot of patterns here throughout the back. Some bios on local designers or international designers. I love the one that's on the cover. That's so adorable. So lots and lots of fun in these magazines. Definitely keepsake magazines that you can keep and use for many years to come. So that is the newest version in the store. This is edition 24. We also have, as always, new fabric. First up, I want to share with you this quilt label panel, which has some really adorable sayings, a little more modern than some of the quilt label panels we've had in the past. Up on the top there, I see Eat, Sew, Slay, and then we have an Introverts Club, and then there's some really small ones down in the bottom there. If you don't want a huge label, or these triangle ones are so you can put them into the corners of your quilts. So lots of fun ideas with this little panel. So we do have a whole bunch of these in the store. This is by Figo Fabrics. Next up, let's see, I'm going to run out of places to put things today. This is a really interesting panel from Northcott Fabrics. This thing repeats every 84 inches. So you can buy 2 1/3 yards and still not have a repeat on this. So I'm going to keep unrolling until my arms run out. So you can see how it changes. And then let me flip this over so you can see the back. So you've got blues and greens on one side, and then you've got your purples, pinks, yellows, and reds on the other side. A really angular design there. So lots of opportunity with this one. It would be certainly a really amazing quilt back because there's not going to be any overlap or copying or nothing to match on a piece of fabric like this one. And as soon as I get it rolled up, I will show you what's next. Next up, we have the City Lights panel from Northcott. This definitely reminds me of New York City. Oops, okay, you're seeing the top, I'm seeing the bottom. So there's the bottom of the same panel. Let's see if I can open it up for you so you get the whole experience in one. Let's see, I'm gonna just unroll a little, see if you can kind of get that feel for what that panel looks like. So this one has a 24-inch repeat, and it is just running yardage. So if you wanted more than 24 inches, you can just keep going because it doesn't have, a cut line down the middle or anything like that. You can just continue. So lots of fun potential applications with that as well. If you have a New York City fan in your family like I do, they may enjoy receiving something made out of this. Next up, we have a few new batiks by Malam Batiks, which is the Jenny Beyer Studio batiks for RJR. I believe these are all the same pattern, so I will just quickly run through the colors for you. That one's pretty. Now this one, it's a little hard to see the dots. They're a little taupey on that lime green. And then we have a lavender with blue, and a royal blue with slightly brighter blue. And then last but not least, we do have our Raining Cafe giveaway. It is still Raining Cafe here in the shop all the way through the whole month of April. So first I want to announce Monday's winner. This was Monday's pack along with one of the retractable tape measures. And Monday's winner is from Facebook, and it's Renee Crosby. Renee, Susan, who's standing behind the camera, is waving hi to you. So we look forward to seeing you in the shop again soon to pick up your winnings. I also wanted to say we have a very special um, fan and viewer who watches us. And I believe she's probably our youngest fan and our youngest video watcher. This is for Miss Lucy, who is Brenda's granddaughter. Brenda is one of our favorite local customers, and Brenda and Lucy watch together. And Lucy is 6 years old, and she really wanted one of these tape measures. So we're going to go ahead and give a tape measure to our youngest fan, Lucy. So Lucy, hi if you're watching, and tell Brenda to bring you in to grab your prize. And then, of course, today we will be giving another one away. So this is today's gift from the Free Spirit giveaway, Raining Cave. Again, we purchased these with the winnings from last year's JAFTEX video challenge, for which we placed 5th internationally for the number of views. So because you guys were so kind to watch us on video, we wanted to turn around our winnings to give giveaways back to you. So this is today's giveaway. To be considered for the giveaway, you just need to comment on our Facebook page or our YouTube page, and that automatically enters you into the drawing. And we will be telling the winner of this one probably on Friday. So we try to kind of leapfrog ahead. So that's all I have for you today. If that's not enough, I don't know what is. I hope you have a terrific Wednesday afternoon, and we will see you back here on Thursday. Bye.